All right, so what we're going to do here is start with the bottom tier. We're going to use this light pink, and we're going to bring a darker pink in here for some other things. So I've just rolled out the light pink. I'm going to take some cutters, X's and O's. We're going to do large ones in the dark pink, and we're going to do small ones in the lighter pink. So I just cut these out. And what I want to do is space them evenly around the cake. So in order to do that, I first like to mark the cake. Okay, to get these out, what you do is just use either the back of this veiner or the back of a paintbrush to pop those out. Okay. Like so. We're going to need 2 sets of these for each section that we're going to do, and you'll see what I mean in just a second. Now I do that just to kind of get nice nice edges so I don't have any of the frayed edges from the cutter. Okay, so this is cake divider wheel that you've seen before. You can either use this or use a tape measure, and what I want to do is just kind of get these this bottom cake in sections. So I'm going to do 8 sections, so this deeper line everywhere where it says 8, 8, 8, that's going to be kind of my divider. Okay, so what I want to do is take one of my X's, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do X's and O's coming straight down right on this line. So I'll do an X, and then take one of my O's, and then another set. And the other O. So I'm just placing a little bit of water on the back and pop this right down there. Okay. And once you kind of get them on there, you can kind of position them and kind of smooth them out, get the circulars in more of a circular or oval position. Okay, so I'm going to do this everywhere. See, it's right in the middle of where the 8 is. So everywhere, so I need another one right here, another set right there. So I'm going to go all the way around the cake. So I'll have, since it's in 8 sections, how many sets will I have? 8, right? So I need double that amount. So I need 16 X's and 16 O's. So I've got the last small one on here, and let me just spin it around so you can see how far I've gotten all the way around there. Okay, XOXO, hugs and kisses. And let's see, where's the back? Here we go. This is where I started. Okay, so I've got the darker pink rolled out. Now I've got a bigger set of X's and O's. So I'm going to cut these out. And these I'm going to go the opposite direction. So there's the X. The O, now the thing about this one is this, it doesn't cut the center out unless it's a really thick piece of fondant, which I don't want. So I have these little tiny oval cutters here. I'll just pick one of these. This one looks pretty good. Make sure it's in the center and pop that out. That's a good size. Okay. If you don't have oval cutters, you could use a small circle round cutter or use part of a decorator tip. Okay, now on this, I'm going to put the X up here. And take my O, put it down here. Okay, so I'm going to do this all the way around, and then we'll fill in this little area with some small hearts. Okay?